Presiden kaseng BJP ke Meghalaya urik manji momen haka khatsan tarik leber ulaong baka Citizen Amendment Act CAA kadai kamat kabala khylliap no apo Meghalaya namar la pelai ya kejing trekam jong kenikaan hakijaka ki bahap apo ke 6 schedule haba keren Syllad patai kubor momen ula penpau kejing songu ya ke sarkar India bat khamtam ya menteri rang badu Narendra Modi bat ya menteri kampo ying Amit Shah halor kejing burom ya kejing sngau jong kitrai snong riulum da ka bapelat ya ki jaka ki bahap hapo ka 6 schedule na ka Citizen Amendment Act of 2019 haka act ka beningkong jong usniam khat khandai san pesan ka jing penlat ya ki jaka ki bahap hapo ka 6 schedule kamsham ladon setia ya keni lawan ra haka act arajar khat khandai da ka sarkar BJP ka BJP ka songkhia na ka benta ka bhakamiat jong ki riulum bat kumta ka lawan ra ya ki kendon ka bala pelai no na kenikaan ka sarkar BJP ka ngai ban shim ya ka jing menjur jong baro wat la ya ka ne ka ak la menjur na du usnam arajar khat khandai bat ka sarkar ka la treshtom hakini ki sausnam hashwa ban penmi ya ki rule ong uni uno yalam ka BJP ka bakum ka ni ka sinjam bala shim da ka sarkar pedeng ka pentikna halor ka jingkut jingmut ban kentiu ya ka jinglong jingman jong ki traish nong riulum lingba ka jing pentrekam ya ki skim sarkar bapher ong umumen da ka babenra ba ka Meghalaya menta ka lalai na ka jing trekam jong ka CAA bat kam don jingmun na ka benta ki to ki bayakhi persha henry kum ki nong shong shnong jong kari ngidei ban ya trelang na ka benta ka jingkiu shaprang jong kari ula ong shushu Syuk umumin ula pentip ru badang syan haduk khatsan hajar kelur tingka lamang na kabenta ban penhe ya kasurok umroi silchar kata na katulen syaka folen kaba penpau ya kejing shimkhia jong ka sarkar PM Modi na kabenta ki paj ba bat karoi kapar.
The state BJP would like to express its gratitude to the government of India and special Prime Minister Modi ji and Sri Amit Shah ji, the Union Home Minister, for respecting the sentiments of the tribal people by exempting the 6 scheduled areas from the Citizen Amendment Act of 2019. In the original Act of 1955, 6 scheduled area was areas exemption was not there. This was introduced in 2019 Act by the BJP government. BJP cares about the well-being of the tribals and so introduced this exemption. The BJP government believes in taking everyone together, though the Act was passed in 2019. The government deliberated 4 years before notifying rules. Such steps taken by the center reassure the commitment of the Modi-led government to uplift the lives of the tribal community through various governmental schemes. Now that Meghalaya stands exempted from CAA, it is pointless for those opposing to beat around the bush, but as citizens of this great nation, we shall all work towards its progress and prosperity. It may be noted just recently 15,000 crores has been earmarked to upgrade the Umroi to Silchar road from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, which testifies the pro-people, pro-development agenda of Modi government